Are your AirPods connected, but mysteriously silent? Let's troubleshoot. First, double-check your volume levels. Make sure the volume on both your iPhone or other device and your AirPods themselves isn't muted or turned all the way down. Visually verify that the volume slider on your connected device is not at 0. And if you have physical volume controls on your device or the AirPods stems, increase the volume. Next, confirm your AirPods are actually selected as the audio output source with a quick peek into your Bluetooth settings. Navigate to your device's Bluetooth settings and ensure your AirPods are listed and connected. If they're not connected, try reconnecting them. Tap on your AirPods in the Bluetooth list to connect if they are not already. Incorrect audio output settings can also be the culprit. Look for the audio output options, often found in the control center on iOS devices or within the sound settings on Android devices. Make sure your AirPods are selected as the audio output. Often, there will be a list of devices, and make sure AirPods are checked. Still no sound? Let's try a hard reset of your AirPods. Place your AirPods in their charging case, close the lid, and wait about 30 seconds. Then, open the lid and locate the setup button on the back of the case. Press and hold that button for about 15 seconds. Or until the status light on the case flashes amber, then white. Once the small case light flashes white, your AirPods are reset. Pair them again with your device and test the audio. This should fix the issue. If none of these steps work, it may be time to contact Apple support for further help or hardware troubleshooting.